Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Cool Developer. So in the previous video, we discussed about the basics of React and the key features. So from today onwards, we will start building the React app. So let's begin and write our first command, npx create dash react dash app. Then we will type the name we want to give it to our application. So I will write my app and press enter. So this is the command that React official documentation has provided us to create a React project. So you can see here a folder named my React has been created, and it will contain all the dependency. It has created a package.json file. So package.json file has a list of all the dependency that is being used in this project or app. So now here it is installing some of the packages, and as I am creating it initially, so it will take a lot of time. Now couple of minutes it will take, so I'll just skip this thing so that the video doesn't become very long. Okay, so I'll pause it and then again we will restart once it is done, because it takes a lot of time really. So let's pause it. 1000 years later. No guys, I'm just kidding. Okay, it took around I think 4-5 minutes and it's done. So here you can see that it has added 1314 packages in 3 minutes. Okay, 259 packages more than initialized a Git repository, then added 46 packages to 63 packages. Oh man, a lot of packages to count. And then it has given us some pre-written commands as well. To npm start we can do to start the development server. Then npm run build bundles the app into static files for production. So whenever we are going to deploy the app, then we need to run this thing. Okay, then npm test to run the tests if you have written any. Then npm run eject, remove this tool and copy build dependencies, and on. So they have suggested some commands like this and then this to start coding into React. And then they have stated happy hacking as well, right? Man, you guys are already taking a lot of time to build it. Okay, minimize it so that we can really be happy. Okay, but still I'm happy. So let's get down to the coding part. So let's write as the suggestion suggests. First we will get inside my app folder. We will write this command and press enter. It will take me inside this my app. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write this command npm start and press enter. So now it will start my application. So let's wait till then. Till then, let's discuss about package.json and other folders inside my app. Okay, so package.json contains the detail about my application, like my name is here, version number is here, then some of the scripts that we can run. Then it has some no dependencies I have installed yet. So still it has some dependencies here, React DOM, React scripts, Web Vital, React, and this testing libraries as well. Okay, so there is a git ignore file also. So this helps us in ignoring the files which we do not want to push onto our GitHub or any other things that we are using. Okay, and then it has src. So most of the components that we will be building will be contained inside it. Here you can see that this is the thing they use commands they use to import. This is how import works in React. If we want to import any images, then we will have to give here the path and the name by which we want to address that image or anything. Then CSS files are being added from here. Then here is the functional component. This is the functional component. It is written like a function, but here you can see it returns a whole like HTML body. Okay, so it has div, class name. So in normal JavaScript or HTML we write just class, but here in React we use class name as well. There is this app, I think it is being imported from here. Okay, it has given some CSS to this text align center and everything. It is here. Okay, then we have this logo showing here, then some p tag, then some links. Okay, learn React, and here we are exporting this app. Okay, so that, and this app is being called here. Okay, here it has been called. Okay, imported here, and it has been rendered here. Oh, that's great. This is the index.js file. So here it has used this thing, react dom.create root document.get element by id. So it has started our React app. So as I don't like Microsoft Edge that much, so what I will do is I will simply close it, and then I will use my favorite Google Chrome, and then I will paste this thing here. And as you can see, this is an extension. This is called daily dev. So it has a lot of blogs about tech news and everything happening in our tech field, software development field. So you can also have this extension. It will be very useful. You will be always up to date with all the things happening here. So let's get back to the code. Okay, so this is helping this thing to render it on the user interface. Okay, React DOM is like virtual DOM that we already discussed in our previous video that React uses. And then there is public.html public folder. Here index.html is there. Here you can see the root div. Inside this only everything gets rendered. Okay, every component that we will be using. You will need to enable JavaScript to run this app. Okay, we are already enabled. I think this is the title. Okay, nice. This is a simple HTML file. This is the logo. Then the most important folder, non-modules. Okay, it has all the dependency installed. Okay, nice. So let's open this. It has lots of dependencies here. Nice, great. Okay, now all these packages helps us in running our application in React. There are lots of folders, right? We can't like go and check it out everything. So let's wait for React to run. Till then it is saying some like Babel and all. So Babel helps us in converting the React app into what? Into JavaScript, HTML and CSS pure thing that the website can understand. Okay, that is nice, quite good. Still it is running. Let's see. Our website is still loading. So it is again taking some time, but it won't take much. Let's wait. Then after that we will see how we can create it very quickly, the React using Vite. So now finally our application is running in the browser, and you can see this is the symbol of React revolving around. Okay, finally it has been created, man, after a long time. Then let's move here and again create a open a terminal. Now we will check out how we can use Vite to create our app. Okay, so now here we will write npm latest. What was that command? Okay, yeah, npm create Vite at the rate latest. Okay, and then we will enter. Now we will wait for some time. Yeah, it is creating. Now it is suggesting some project name, that is Vite project. Okay, that's great. Now we will click, as I don't want to rename it again. Let's name it Vite project only. Enter. Now it is suggesting some of the frameworks. Now you can select anyone. I will select React, and again I will enter. Okay. Now we will ask what variant you want, TypeScript plus SWC, JavaScript. So I will create the JavaScript one and enter. So now it has given us some command. First cd Vite project, so it will take me inside this Vite project folder. Now after that I will have to run npm install. So what it will do, it will install all the packages required. So I will click, write it and enter. So let's see how much time it will take using Vite to create our React app. So it is installing. So Vite creates a template for us for React, and it creates it very quickly. But the thing is, like, it install only some few dependencies that are really required. But in the previous one, it has installed thousands of dependencies, packages, and everything. Okay, so it's still installing. Let's see how much time more it will take. Yeah, still then we can go inside this Vite project. Okay, this folder structure looks the same as the previous one, except from escalenter.config. This one is package.json is missing here till now, and Vite.config, this is a new file. Okay, it has all the configuration for Vite and React plugins. Okay, now it has installed all the dependencies. Great. I can see the package.json file as well. Okay, now let's see. Now the next command is npm run dev. Okay, let's run it, and our project is up and running. Okay, let's click CRTL and click it. So it will again open Microsoft Edge, right? I will again close it, and I will again open my favorite Chrome. I will paste this link. Nice. So again I'll end it. Don't delete it. I have already mentioned this thing. What is this? I have already told you guys. Now enjoy and learn more things about what is happening in our development world. Okay, so it is taking some time to learn. What should we do? Should we play Antakshari? Not a good idea. Okay. Okay, just kidding. Issues. Till then, we can decipher something here. It is the folder structure. Index.html also has the same root thing. Some parts are missing. Okay, let's go inside src. So here you can see .jsx app.jsx. It has some pre-written codes inside. Okay, so this is in JSX file. Okay, Vite logo is imported here. React logo is imported here. Then this is CSS file. Then this is index.css file. The public folder doesn't have much things, it's just Vite logo. Then there is node modules here. Nice. So let's see, and our Vite React has started. So let's see, this count is here. Let's see what will happen. Count 1, 2, 3, or it is increasing. Right, so in this video we saw how to create React app normally using the command provided by React community, and also we saw how we can create this quickly using Vite. So I hope you guys will find this video very helpful, and if you really like it, then please do hit the like button. It keeps on motivating me to make useful videos for you guys, and I want to really thank you guys for watching this video and motivating me, right? Okay, so I'll take a leave now. Hope you are doing well and you guys will be soon a great developer. Okay, bye bye, thank you.